Hi, I'm Safi from the library student team here at the University of Manchester, and I'll talk you through 5 key tips when revising for your upcoming examinations. 1. While it's important to read through the information that's relevant to the topic you're revising, make sure that you don't spend too long doing passive revision. Making active revision a key part of your revision plan, be that creative flashcards, mind maps, revising with friends, or completing practice questions. 2. It's important that you develop good note-taking skills so you can use your notes when revising. A key tip from us is not to copy exactly from the textbook that you're revising from. Instead, we would recommend you use the Cornell note-taking system. 3. Our third tip is to identify what you already know and to focus on building on the topics that you're unsure about. A good way to find out which areas you feel most confident about is to get a blank piece of paper and noting down everything that you remember from that topic. Then, to compare what you've written down with the notes from the classes and textbooks, and then check which areas are weaker. This will help you to understand which areas you need to dedicate more revision time to before the exam. 4. One of the best ways to practice for the exam you'll be sitting is to try and find past papers or questions that you may be asked. Try making plans or even have a go at answering the questions to help develop your exam technique. It's important to do this as no matter how much knowledge you have, you'll need to be able to put across the information that you know onto the exam paper and when answering the questions. 5. Our final tip is to experiment with revision. Don't feel like it's all about note-taking and reading. If you're into podcasts, try and find out one around the topic that you're revising and listen to it to revise the information. If you're more creative, making a poster on the subject might help you better memorize the information that you need to know for your exam. Thank you for listening to these revision tips and best of luck on your exams.